Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make animation in Figma. So let's start by making something like this, an on and off button, which I think they're really popular, so that's what I'm gonna show you how to do today. Now let's first create a frame. Just take a random one, go and make a rectangle. You can of course make this as big or as small as you want. Let's make it so that it's like about like that. Let's make these edges very curvy as they can be. Go make an ellipse, and then as you drag the ellipse, hold the shift button so that it doesn't spew like this. So hold it like that. Let me first change the color so I can orient myself better. There you go. That's how you do it. And I want the color to be, let's make this light, and let's make this, well, we're gonna change the color of this later. Let's just make it like that. Anyways, once you've done that, we can go and do our text. So let's make this off. Let's go 64, that's too big. Let's go 48, very cool. Let's change the font. Let's go for, oh, whatever. Let's just pick a random font. Oh, now it will fit. Okay. Once you're done with that, what you want to do is make an ellipse. So select this ellipse, go copy paste to make another ellipse, and this is gonna be, let's just name it something random, so just so we can orient ourselves. And well, actually I should have named it mask, whatever. And now click use as mask. Now as you can see, I have I'm holding on to the mask right now. As you can see, it's selected in the layers. If I move this mask, as you can see, the mask isn't here anymore. You can't see the off button. So we're gonna have this mask right there. Let's copy and paste the off button. Let's move it. Let's actually disable this mask so I can actually see what I'm doing. Let's type in on. Let's kind of center it. There, that's the center right there about. We can change it later, it's no worries. And now we can enable the mask. Let's select everything, copy, paste. One is MacBook Air 1 because that's the frame. As you can see, it's selected right now. And this is the second one. So let's concentrate on the second one. Let's disable this mask, and now let's select this ellipse and move it all the way here, and then move this off button up here. Now you want to move, well, actually I need to enable it for this. I need to move it right there. That's good enough. Let's disable it, and now let's move this on button right here. Let's enable the mask, and I didn't really spend a lot of time into making this look pretty, so I'm gonna do that later. Let's go to, for now, let's go to prototype. Let's select this. Let's do connect it to here. And let's make it so that it's, let's smart animate. Let's go ease in and out back. 300 is too fast. It doesn't look quite nice, so I'm gonna just go like 500. Let's do the same exact thing with the other one. Now once you're done with this, let's go up here and present. That's how it's called. The button is called present. Let's present this. And here you go. So this is how the animation goes. It looks pretty nice. Let's exit out of this. Now you can mess around with the colors a bit. And there you go. That's how to animate in Figma. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.